If you can't study for more than 10 minutes without scrolling through TikTok or checking Instagram, you need to gamify your focus. Enter the Forest app. The concept is simple but brilliant. When you want to focus, you plant a seed. As long as you don't touch your phone, that seed grows into a tree. If you leave the app to check a notification, the tree dies. Today, I'm going to walk you through the full setup, the deep focus mode that forces you to work, and how to use your focus time to plant actual real-life trees. Let's dive in. When you first download the app, available on iOS and Android, you might be tempted to just hit Start as a Guest. Don't do this. Go to the menu, the 3 lines in the top left, tap Settings, and log in with your Google or Apple account immediately. Why? Because if you switch phones or delete the app, you lose your entire forest. Syncing your data ensures your hard-earned stats are saved forever. The home screen is your dashboard. First, tap the tree icon in the center. This is your shop. At the start, you only have the basic cedar tree, but later you can unlock cool stuff like moon trees or even an octopus. Next, set your timer. You can drag the green dot around the circle. Pro tip: if you are a beginner, don't try to do 60 minutes. Start with 25 minutes, the Pomodoro technique. It's short enough to not feel scary, but long enough to get work done. By default, the app is too nice. We need to make it strict. Go to Settings, then Planting and Timer. Look for the option that says Wither the tree when forest is closed. Turn this on. Now, the stakes are real. If you minimize the app to check a text message, your tree will die, and a dead tree remains in your forest forever as a badge of shame. Note, if you need to use your phone for studying, premium users can use the Allow list to whitelist specific apps that won't kill your tree. Step 4. Tagging and tracking. Before you hit Plant, tap the little pencil icon. Here you can categorize what you are doing: study, work, rest, or social. I highly recommend adding specific tags like math or writing. This isn't just for fun. Later you can check your analytics to see exactly where your time is going. Once you are ready, hit Plant. Put the phone down, do the work. When your timer finishes, you earn coins. You can use these coins to buy new digital tree designs. But here's the coolest part of the app: Real trees. If you save up 2,500 coins, you can go to the Real Forest menu. When you buy a real tree here, the forest team donates money to an actual organization to plant a real tree on Earth. So your studying literally helps the environment. Finally, check your progress by tapping Forest in the menu. You can view your productivity by day, week, or month. If you see a lush green forest, you had a good week. If you see a bunch of dead, withered sticks, you know you need to improve. You can also add friends for a leaderboard competition, which is great if you're competitive. Conclusion: Forest works because it adds a pain consequence to checking your phone. Nobody wants to kill a cute virtual tree. Download it, turn on deep focus mode, and start building your forest. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!